Good morning, grade 8 boys. I'm back again and guess where I am? I'm in green group class. Welcome. This week we're learning about curly K. K for clever cat. It is the letter C and it makes a K sound. K for clever cat. For this lesson you'll need your whiteboard marker, and the grade R workbook, week 9. It's got the beautiful octopus and the turtle on the front cover. Boys, there's a clever cat song that I'd like you to listen to because it teaches you how to say the K sound quite beautifully. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3.
Says K in words, K in words, K in words. Clever cat says K in words and cuddles close to me.
We're going to learn how to write the K sound. As you can see here, you start at the red dot, make a beautiful curved line, and it moves up. I'm going to do some as well. Boys, you can also practice on your whiteboards now with your whiteboard marker. Let's go. Let's have a good go. Start at the top. Nice curved, curly line. Here we go. Around, nice and curvy. Yes, another curly cut. Just remember, I'm also writing. It's a bit tricky for Mrs. G, just writing upside down here as well. I'm writing over here, another curly cut. Have a go. Curly cut. And once you can do a curly cut, you can do an a, and a d so easily from there. Boys, remember the difference. I'm just going to show you. That's your curly cut. And we've also learned our kicking cut. But we're not learning about our kicking cut today. But just to show you the difference. Curly cut and kicking cut. Come on, boys. Have a good go now and write 6 curly Ks on your whiteboard. Good job, boys. Boys, we're practicing how to form our curly K. Mrs. G's got some wash here, yellow wash. I'm in the classroom and I'm sitting at the hippo table. Let's go. Curly K. Wow. Dipped it in the wash again. Go, you can make some wash at home with all your food colouring. Another curly K. You can paint on your paving outside. You can get chalk. I've also made some blue wash. Let's have a look how this one comes out. Curly K. There we go. It's fun. Curly K and a curly K. Good job. Boys, as you can see, Mrs. G's having some fun here with some shaving cream. Put it at the hippo table. I've got shaving cream all over my fingers. But, okay, boys, what you need to do, is to make or form your curly K. There you go. And think of words now that even start with a curly K. What about some names? Cameron, camel, chameleon, curly K. Have fun with your shaving cream. Shaving cream works brilliantly when you're forming your letters. Just wanted to show you that. Have fun, boys. Let's look at this picture, boys, with Clever Cat in it. What can you see that starts with a K sound? I can name over 12 pictures that start with a K sound. I challenge you, boys. Can you find more than 12? Remember, you can pause the video at any time and have a closer look if you need to. Let me start you off. What do you see in the sky? That is flying around. Yes, K for crows. They're flying amongst the K for clouds. Yes, curly K for crow, curly K for cloud. What else can you see? Yes, What is Clever Cat drinking? Out of it's a mug that starts with a sound, but what is inside the mug? I think Clever Cat is very for cold, so Clever Cat is sipping cocoa. For cocoa. Clever Cat is having some hot cocoa. For cocoa. Right, what is Clever Cat doing at the table? I see a crayon, for crayon, and a crossword puzzle. Another curly K. Come on, boys. I'm giving you lots of good examples. I'm leaving this challenge to you now. What other K words can you see in this picture? Clever Cat and the Cake. Clever Cat and the Cake by Lisa Holt. Let's meet Clever Cat. Let's say hello to the Letterland cat. She lives in a little cottage near the Letterland castle, and she's called Clever Cat. Why? Because she can do so many clever things. She can even count. Can you count 2? There's another thing you should know about Clever Cat. She doesn't meow. That's because she's a Letterland cat. She makes a little k sound instead. You can hear it at the start of words like cat, car, and cake. Today, Clever Cat has decided to bake. She is going to create a carrot cake. She counts out the carrots, 1 to 4, flour, eggs, milk, raisins, and more. Do you think she will be a clever cook? Let's turn the page and take a look. She grates the carrots into a cup, cracks in the eggs, and stirs it all up. Then there's a sudden bang at the door. She almost drops her cup on the floor. Annie Apple wants some advice on how to read and add up a price. Clever Cat can make counting fun and shows Annie Apple how it's done. Annie says thanks and gets on her way. Clever Cat is glad to have helped her today. She creams the sugar with the butter, then cleans her paws and clears the clutter, all the mess from her table. Tap, tap. Another knock at the door. She puts down her cloth and stops once more. It's Noisy Neck with some nuts in a jar. Look, he says, how many there are. She counts them with him in a line. Can you count 2? There are just 9. Clever Cat went back to baking her cake. She set the clock for how long it should take. She opened the oven and put the cake in. But then her telephone started to ring. It was Talking Tess with lots to say. Tess can talk and talk all day. Clever Cat chatted and lost track of time. She didn't hear her cooker clock chime. She had been on the phone way too long. The cake had burnt. It had gone all wrong. I'm cross, she stamped. She was really mad. The cake was crispy and crusty and bad. But you don't get a name like Clever Cat if you cry and give up just like that. She cut off the crust, added candy and cream. It became the best cake you've ever seen. If you ever get stuck, come up with a plan. Be clever too. We know you can. Can. Clever Cat says, you can. Boys, after listening to that story, I have just 3 questions for you. The first one, they're very easy. What kind of cake did Clever Cat make? Yes, you guessed it, a carrot cake. Second question, what can Clever Cat do to help Annie Apple? Yes, Clever Cat helped Annie Apple add up how much things would cost. Third question. Who came to see Clever Cat with 9 nuts? Yes, he always makes a lot of noise. That is Noisy Nick. Boys, something to do when you are in the car again with Mom or Dad or Granny and Grandpa. I want you to do this. And my question to you is, can you count? So on your next car journey, I would like you to play a counting game. How many red cars, blue cars, silver cars, black cars do you see? Count them. Good job, boys. It's workbook time. Boys, please turn to page 2 of your workbook. Have your pencils ready. And at the top of page 2, you will see some smart curly curs. Boys, have your pencils ready. As you can see, there are 2 beautiful curly curs. Let's start and let's trace them. You start at the top. You swing to the left. All the way down. It's a lovely curve line down and up. Start at the top. Swing to the left all the way down, around and up. Right, let's do our own curly curs. Start at the top, swing to the left, all the way down, around and up. Good, let's do another one together. Start at the top, swing to the left, lovely curve line, all the way around and stop. Pick up your pencil. Boys, in the space below here, I'd like you to think of the story that I've just read to you and think of that lovely big picture with Clever Cat in it and all the words that you sourced that started with the letter or the sound K. I want you on this page here to draw as many pictures that start with curly K that you can remember. Go, boys. Boys, we're going to end off our Clever Cat lesson with a lovely song. If you've got your homemade instrument at home or any other instrument, bring it so we can play in time with the music. Let's go.